So first we're going to open the app. Let's hit the plus button and let's find a mixtape on Mixtape Monkey through the link below. So I'm going to look up an artist, or the Phenom, local KC artist. So click on the mixtape I want, download it, download zip, and just wait for that to load up into my downloads. All right, let's swap back over, import from the Files app. So it'll pull up the Files app. And let's go to my iPhone and to downloads. And this is where all my recent downloads are. So select the album, import it, and this has been automatically added to my library. So everything's here, just hit play and you have all the functionality you'll need. Let's go into the settings. And here are some system theme options, song count and volume slider. We can just turn those on. I'll show you what that looks like. It'll show that there's 14 songs in this album. Select a couple of these. And then if you go into the streaming view, you can adjust the volume and that could also be turned off. I prefer it off, but it's an option. So let's add another album. We'll go back to our downloads folder on the import. And let's just pick MP3s this time. We don't need to use the zip file every time. So let's select all of these, open, and import. And these will automatically be synced into its own album. You can batch import MP3 files and zips, and they'll automatically be spun up into their own albums, depending on the metadata. All of the music here, all of it's functional. And if you go into the ellipses here, you can favorite songs, or you can add them to the queue. You can also pin albums once you're in the library to the top of the list. And that'll be it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll try to get back to all of them the best I can. Thank you for using the app.